Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Let's give it a quick refresh live on the CoinGecko website. If we are looking at the overall market cap right now, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $1.86 trillion, still below that $2 trillion mark. But we are up 1.7% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 39.8%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see overall in the last 1 hour, we are seeing red across the board, but we are starting to see some mild green across the board over the last 24 hours, and we will definitely take that. But if we are looking at the broader picture, there is still quite, bloodbath across the board, a lot of fear across the board, obviously. So we should not be ignoring that part right now. But even if it's small green, we will definitely take that. But today, guys, I'm going to talk about none other than one project, and that is XRP. All right, my XRP family, if we are looking at the XRP's price right now, you guys can see XRP is currently trading at 75 cents. We are down 0.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative, but we are up 0.2% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. Not a lot of exciting gains being made within the XRP price, but you guys want to watch this video till the absolute end if you are an XRP holder. XRP's current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 6th spot. So that's definitely something nice. Seeing market cap is still holding very strong, around that $36 billion mark. And the 24-hour trading volume has literally gone through the roof, currently sitting at $4.3 billion. I'm sorry, I was about to say $1 trillion. That's definitely not right. About $4.3 billion 24-hour trading volume, and that's absolutely insane. And zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, XRP is still up 73.7%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff that everyone is here for. What's happening to the price, Crypto ZX, and where could you see the price of XRP go, very soon? So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see XRP is still hovering within this 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And we did manage to break out of this range over the past, couple weeks, but did not manage to break out of the 78.6 and get into the 61.8. But, so far, so good. So far, so good. One thing that I want you guys to know is that XRP is gaining traction once again. A lot of analysts are predicting that XRP is going to have a massive breakout towards the upside. There are some good things coming out of this case that we have been seeing over the past 1.5 years between Ripple and SEC. And a lot of people are starting to say that, this lawsuit is really going to get settled very soon. But as I have mentioned on my channel beforehand, while this SEC lawsuit was going on, I did say even if this lawsuit keeps on going, I still do expect the price of XRP to have an increase over time. And this is when I was saying it around this price point. You're welcome to go watch my videos back then. Around March of last year, I did say that we will still have a breakout, and we did see a massive breakout for the price of XRP, seeing it hit $2 last year. And are we in for the same part 2 this time around? We can definitely see that happen once again, because I am seeing something very interesting happening. I'm seeing a lot of traction building up on XRP. And one factor that I look at is the Twitter engagement, and along with the 24-hour trading volume that has been increasing and increasing over the past couple of weeks, and that really does speak a lot of volume. And that really shows that there is a lot of retail interest coming in. Who knows, it could be, you know, big institutions buying XRP too. At the end of the day, as I have mentioned on my channel before, XRP has a working product. Doesn't matter what the lawsuit is going on or not. The Ripple as a company, as an organization, keeps on developing, and that's something we should not be ignoring. Whether you love XRP or not, we all cannot deny Ripple as a company keeps on developing day by day, and that is more bullish than ever. One thing we do need to keep in mind is that obviously, as you guys may know, the entire cryptocurrency market is correlated with the price of a Bitcoin, and Bitcoin has been having its days over the past couple of weeks. As you guys may know, we did have a major rejection over the past couple of days. We saw it go all the way up to our price level where we did see we need to break out, and we got rejected. Saw the price of Bitcoin fall back down to 34,000, and we are currently sitting above this level of resistance at this $36,700 mark. But again, definitely not out of the woods just yet. So we do need to keep the Bitcoin price point in mind as well, because obviously Bitcoin does, everything is correlated with the price of Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the king of the markets. But, even though Bitcoin is, the king of the markets and everything is correlated, including the price of XRP, but I do see XRP long term still outperforming the price of Bitcoin, whether or not we are still in the shaky end of the spectrum within the overall markets. And right now, guys, we do need to see a breakout out of this level of resistance, most importantly, out of the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. If we were to see a breakout above this price point and XRP is able to break out of that $1.02 mark, we could be in for a massive, upwards rally occurring within the price of XRP. I'm feeling it, guys. I don't know. There's a gut feeling that's coming into my body that we are in for a massive rally for the price of XRP, but we do need to pay very close eye to the price of Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin sees a rejection once again and breaks below this level of resistance at this $33,000 mark, then everything gets invalidated, and that's something we should not be ignoring right now. We could see these prices occur once again, but as of now, in the immediate short term, XRP as a project is looking quite bullish to myself, and I could see a breakout occurring in the immediate coming weeks or so. So as of now, like I said, we do need to break out of this, out of the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and enter the 61.8. And if the price is able to break out of that $1.02 mark, things could really get exciting very fast. So that's something we should not be ignoring right now. Obviously, one thing to keep in mind is that XRP is still delisted from Coinbase, and that's where the majority of the volume comes in for XRP. And that really shows you how big the project really is. Even though we're still not listed on Coinbase, we're still delisted on there, you can see what kind of volume XRP has right now despite that. And also keep into consideration that the entire cryptocurrency market is still on a downwards trend. So that's one thing we need to keep in mind. I look at all these factors and I come with a conclusion, and so far, after taking into consideration all these factors, XRP is holding quite well and is looking very bullish. So right now, that is my price points. These are my targets. If we reach these targets, we could be in for a massive breakout towards the upside and could possibly see some insane gains being made within the price of XRP. But we also need to keep the Bitcoin price in mind as well. BTC dominance, on the other hand, is still above that 40% mark should not be coming as a surprise to any one of us. And XRP on Google Trends, nothing crazy going on right now, but overall market is in a downwards trend, not much hype coming in. This does play out more in the organic price point. I'm sorry, not price point, more when, overall market momentum. When the market momentum is very, very high, a lot of interest is coming in. We do see the overall interest very, very high, so we need to keep that factor in mind as well. But let me know in the comment section below, what are you guys doing right now? Where could you see the price of XRP go at the end of March? I would love to know your thoughts down below, and let me know what are your overall thoughts for the overall market momentum. Leave it in the comment section. If you guys can, please like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love you all. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX.